Appeals ruling could allow school districts in the state to require masks in the future. WHO 13 Zach Fisher joins us now. Zach, what does this court ruling mean for school districts implementing mask mandates?
Yeah, Janae, so the court ruling yesterday will still allow the state to block districts from implementing mask mandates as long as it doesn't impact federal law.
Bottom line is that schools and parents of students with disabilities can still ask for masking to protect those students.
The U.S. 8th Circuit Court of Appeals ruling on Monday that the Iowa law banning mask mandates in school districts can still be applied unless a school district needs to require masks to accommodate disabled students, which is protected by federal law and the Americans with Disability Act. The court ruled in part, quote, "This court therefore vacates in part and remands to allow the district court to enter a tailored injunction that prohibits defendants from preventing or delaying reasonable accommodations," end quote, meaning that the state can still have the law in place as long as it doesn't interfere with districts accommodating disabled students.
Previously, schools were being told that the state law prohibited them from issuing a mask mandate if they wanted to do that. And so our lawsuit was pushed back against that.
A couple of districts responded to the ruling, including the Des Moines Public School District, where masking is optional, saying in part, quote, "The decision by the 8th Circuit Court of Appeals has no impact on the district currently. However, the court's opinion affirms what federal law demands," end quote. The Urbandale School District echoed DMPS in their statement as well, saying that masking remains optional and accommodations will be on a case-by-case basis. The ACLU says this will allow some children to go to school comfortably if a district needs to implement the policy.
It's not all about one child. It's not about your child. It is about other children having the right to go to school, having the and not have to risk their health or even in some cases death.
And the ACLU of Iowa did not say if they were going to seek further litigation in this specific case. Janae.
All right, thanks a lot, Zach.